If you need an ignition interlock device, here is a list of problems that could very well occur while you have the ignition interlock device in your vehicle. And at least if you know what these problems are, it may give you a chance to hopefully avoid them. False positives. Gum, energy drinks, bread, cough syrup, kombucha, well, all of these can potentially trigger failures. Missed rolling retests. Let's be honest, drivers don't always hear the alert because you've got the music up or you're talking to somebody, and sometimes you just can't safely blow in time while driving. Do not miss a rolling retest. Startup failures. Cold weather, weak batteries, or improper breath samples can prevent the car from starting. Tampering allegations. Disconnecting the battery, wiring issues, or mechanical work may look like circumvention. Calibration and service issues. Missing required monthly service appointments does cause, in many instances, an automatic violation. Third-party use. Someone else blowing into the device can still be blamed on the driver. However, in Washington, we now require little cameras on the windshield that take photos of every time someone blows into the device. So hopefully they'll pick up the other person if that happens. It's best just not to do that. Vehicle issues. Ignition interlock devices drain batteries, which can lead to breakdowns that can get mistaken for violations. So lots of problems can occur with these devices. So here are some tips to hopefully avoid some, if not all, of these problems. Do not consume food or drink 15 to 20 minutes before using your car and the machine. That's the number one violation I see in all of my clients. You accidentally eat something or drink something. Could be a soft drink, could be an energy drink while driving. Don't do it. Also, if you do eat something before you get into your car, rinse your mouth with water and wait. Understand rolling retests. Know what the alert sounds like and pull over safely if you have to. Never let anyone else use the device. Now, we do have cameras in Washington State that will take a photo of who is blowing into the device, but sometimes we can't tell exactly who it is. So even if someone's trying to help you, it can really backfire. Just don't do it. Keep all service appointments. Calendar your reminders so you don't forget them, because if you forget to go have your device calibrated or checked with the company, that can be a violation. Document everything. Save receipts, tow records, mechanical invoices, as well as any ignition interlock device logs. Address medical issues. When you're having your device installed, report to the installer if you suffer from conditions like GERD or diabetes. Avoid jump starts and battery disconnects. Call the ignition interlock device provider first if there's a problem with your battery. Test the device correctly. These devices are strange, and there's a couple different ways that you give a breath sample, so know exactly which way applies to your machine. For example, if there's a blow, hum, or suck instruction, sounds weird if you don't have a device, know how to do that precisely. Call immediately if something goes wrong. Early reporting to your ignition interlock device provider and company can potentially prevent a minor issue from becoming a license suspension. And of course, if you have an attorney and there are any problems with this device, make sure you're reporting those problems to your attorney as well. If you're having issues with your device, of course, talk with the installer as well as the company. Remember, you're paying a lot of money and they owe you good service. And if you've been arrested or charged with DUI in either Skagit or Whatcom County, please give my law firm a call. The only thing we do in our practice is represent those accused of DUI.